In 2020 and 21, we thought the war is going to be an end. Pilthe ki jutlo bon pusti tum gamatha, where Indian police and army beat us, beat for the villagers and fight with the people, but they are not wrong. Good life family, before starting this video, I want to know, is there anybody doctor, nurse or police in my YouTube subscriber? Jong si doctor, nurse, police kiman bang do purtangte, I want to say thank you for saving my life from coronavirus. During lockdown, Indian police and army beat us and fight with the people, but hatung akehinokali akime sinang kiklaim. Laan phire me a coronavirus tame amithang apran chi bikok si ili Indian muni phan nang kachima thapen nang kirap I. They are not an orphan. Jang resukali, they also have a family. Halatumta a family do api apo apiso asumado. Bonta India amli phana joine ko ani nang kirap ilitum choro vek nanji. Even I want to thank for the government. Lockdown ki padope na pot.
अनेक भागों में लॉकडाउन कर दिया गया.
Due to lockdown, roads are empty, no markets, no school. Lahai ki close la pina jog, virus pen ki jog tum tamit do piglo. Lockdown jong si ave, gari chidam chidam full percente munit si thilap ji e porlo. Non ta ki thia tum do piglo, but government, police, army, doctor, nurse lahai tum si itum phan nang rap delo. According to the reports, coronavirus came from China. Doctor tum a rare medicine kiri phan chipa dup olo, ondala tum ta long le. But alang tum kiri ingtomte India renganji India safe nanji pukamatha penajo. Even doctor nurse atumda amithang akam chiklem tomte during pandemic huta. And also they give us free vaccination and masks. Because of them we are still alive today and free from coronavirus. Kadu kavita katuro ki pajir nanji kenang so. Not only this, lockdown pe na jok ki chumu be same dolo, but government tum arong sang han ki thonam pen ilitum phan thang na pasung sepin. Also, isi lockdown pe na ki me thegam long do. Kai hem tulong ka chilang nun apor abes me chilang nun long log do. So, let's all say thank you for them. Kaduko be same kachuru pajir sina. Alang tum pe na jok si itum reng dun bom lo. They are the real heroes. Let's all give a salute to them. Last pinya of the laan si kangton polo kani, please last video share vek thala pen akimi viewers tum unsubscribe vek tha. I love you all, 10k subscribers soon. Thank you, bye bye.